Hello, gaming world friends. Is your phone running low on space? But do you want to play some new quality games? Today we are going to look at the 5 best mobile games between 50 megabytes to 75 megabytes. Offline playable, low size, high fun. 1. Stick War. Legacy, 65 megabytes. This is for those who like action plus strategy. You have to guide a stickman army and fight. You can upgrade troops, build enemy territory. Despite the simple graphics, the gameplay is addictive. You can play offline, no lag. There is a dynamic war feel. Despite the small size, it is a lot of fun. 2. Major Mayhem 2. Cheese 70 megabytes. A run-and-gun style shooting game. Vivid cartoon graphics, high-action gameplay. You go on missions as a commando. You can upgrade weapons, one-tap controls plus smooth animations. A super fun game with offline play and arcade feel. 3. Death Moto 3 E 60 megabytes. Racing plus action mix. Here you have to knock off enemy riders while riding a bike. Weapons can be used. 3D graphics, great speed feel. A thrill that fits the MB size. Perfect for offline play. 4. Shadow Skate, Jarn, 55 megabytes. Parkour-style runner game. Silhouette-style graphics, smooth controls. City rooftops, obstacles, stunts. You have to continuously run and complete missions. Even though it's a light game, it's fast-paced and fun. The background music is energetic, perfect for quick gaming sessions. 5. Mecharama, 5 megabytes but high quality. Best for puzzle lovers, here you get a robot in a maze. 3D graphics, calm music, smart puzzles. There's a level editor to create your own maze. Lightweight plus offline plus relaxing gameplay. 'These 5 games are small in megabyte size, but they have it all: thrill, action, thinking. You can play them and say you won't like any of them. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Tell me in the comments which game is the best for you.